I'm looking towards like actually looking into your schedules, because I've seen that, you have different options for schedules. Um, at this point too, is that in conjunction with a book?
Yeah, sure. Great question. I think the most important thing in using the schedules is the actual LSAT prep tests in books of 10 on Amazon. They're published by LSAC. Each book of 10 is about $20 each. And so the only thing you need for the schedules is those books of 10 exams. I recommend getting 3 of them and then the individuals. So 52 to 61, 62 to 71, 72 to 81, and then the individual ones, which are currently 82 to 86. Now, if you want to use other materials, I do have references and citations for where to go elsewhere. I also have articles to various articles on my site, which of course are freely accessible. I do include references to some of my other materials, like the courses and some of the guides and cheat sheets and such. But those are really optional things to consider. All you really need are the actual LSAT exams.
Okay, so that's pretty good. I have two of them. I have the 5 and the 6, but I probably want to start it with the earlier versions and leave those for, like you said, the timed. So my next step would be just like looking into the schedules and purchasing the Amazon earlier 10, like you said. I think so it would be this up from the 62 to 71. Or I'm sorry, the 52 to 61 and the 62 to 71, at least right now, for me to start out with practicing.
That sounds perfect.
I really appreciate your help. You've been awesome. Thank you so much.
Of course, Michelle. It's my absolute pleasure. Is there anything else you would need to feel complete for today to know what to do going forward?
No, it was super helpful, because I feel like now I have a plan for how to structure the rest of my studying a little bit more efficiently for the following. It could be anywhere from 3.5 to all the way till October, which would be 5-6 months at this point. But I feel better. Like I feel better. I lacked a lot. I lacked any kind of ideas with structure. So that's why I super appreciate having had this meeting with you.
I'm really happy to hear that. That's why I do this sort of thing.